Hey, what's going on? I'm Mike, and in today's video, I'll be going over how to get free traffic for your affiliate offer. Now, what we will not be going over is how to find those affiliate offers to promote. I've got a ton of videos on my channel that go over just that. So we're going to assume you already have an offer that you're promoting, and we just need to get some traffic to it. So I'll be going over where to get free content to use to promote your offer, how to make that content fit your specific offer, and the best ways to go about promoting that content. Also, be sure to hang around for some bonus tips. You don't want to miss that. So if you're ready, let's jump into it. So step one in the process, we're going to come over here to YouTube to find free content to use to promote our affiliate offers. So in this example, we're going to look for content for a weight loss affiliate offer that we're going to promote. So what you want to do is you come over here to YouTube, and into the search bar, we're going to type in weight loss, and we're going to hashtag shorts. Okay, and then so we're going to come over here to filters, and we're going to come down to Creative Commons. So the reason why we chose Creative Commons is because this gives us the right to use other people's content. If we did not select this filter, this option, then we stand the chance of using content that isn't given rights to be used outside of the original owner, the original creator. So Creative Commons it allows us to use content pretty much kind of like copyright free, and or at least for this purpose right here. So what we're gonna do is, once you've done that, we wanna go ahead and look through the search results right here. And you want to find something that is more relevant to whatever the offer it is. So we're going to go ahead and take maybe this video right here, lose weight extremely fast. So we're going to click on that.
Feel your spine.
Let's pause that. And we're going to use this video right here because this is really targeted towards our actual product. So now that we found our video, we're going to go over to step 2. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and copy the URL for this particular video. And we're gonna go over to a website called Shorts Noob. And we're gonna paste that URL right inside here. And what we're going to do is we're going to download this video. And so we wanna go ahead and select the 720p version because this one has the video and the audio. We don't want just the video, and we don't want just the audio. So we're gonna get the one that has the best quality, that has both video and audio. So we'll click that, and that is downloading right now. All right, so here in the next step, now that we download our video, we're gonna come over here to Canva because we wanna do some tweaks to that video to make it more aligned with what our affiliate offer is and our branding and such. So you come over to Canva, and we're gonna just go over to straight to custom size. And what we want is the 1080 by 1920 pixels. I already have that in here, but what you would do is you just type it inside of here if you didn't already have it in your recents. All right, so I have that format right here, just like this. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to go ahead and upload this video that we just downloaded into Canva. All right, so we've gone ahead and we've uploaded this video, and I'm just gonna kind of resize this right here to fit this entire white space. All right, and so what we wanna do next is we wanna go ahead and do some slight edits. So instead of having this purple and red area on the top and the bottom where it says lose weight extremely fast, we're gonna just go ahead and pretend that we have a different brand color that we're using. So I'm gonna go over here to elements, and we're just gonna go to the shapes portion right here, and we're gonna select this square. And we're gonna move that over to here. Just gonna do some quick resizing. And we're gonna change the color. And for this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go with we'll just go with this color right here. And then what we'll do is we will duplicate that, and we'll put it down here at the bottom. All right, and then what we wanna do is we wanna go ahead and add some text to the top and to the bottom. All right, so I went ahead and added some text to the top and the bottom. I went ahead and put lose weight fast, and then on the bottom I put link in bio. You want to go ahead and have that call to action on the bottom, telling them to go to your bio because this is where your affiliate link is going to be. All right, so we're not just gonna have the video just for the video's sake. We want to encourage someone to go to our bio, to check out our affiliate link, and hopefully make a purchase to a product that's related to losing weight. So you can make this text as fancy as you want, and I actually encourage you to do it. I'm not gonna do that just for this video, but I encourage you to put a little effort into the design and, you know, make it look something worthy of your brand. And so once we're done with that, you can go ahead and name it something. And so we'll just go ahead and put weight loss video, keep it simple. And then what we want to go ahead and do is go to this portion right here and click on share. We're gonna click download, and we wanna make sure that the quality is at 1080p. We want this to be good quality, no blurry videos. And then we'll just download. All right, so the next step is you wanna go ahead and go to Instagram, and you wanna create a new Instagram based around your affiliate product or products. So you kinda wanna build your own brand. And this is an example right here of a weight loss brand here on Instagram. It's called Weight Loss Diet Tips. Very simple, but you can easily put this thing together. And this link right here is a link to I believe it's a ClickBank offer because I recognize the title. But this is an affiliate link right here for an offer that you can find on ClickBank. And this is the type of content that they're putting on here. And so you see the Reels video that we just put together in Canva. You can easily upload similar content just like this. And then you have your call to action to lead them to go to this link in your bio. So this is very simple, very, very easy stuff. All right, so in this next step, I wanna talk about using static posts for your IG. So you don't only have to create videos for your Instagram brand. You can also do static posts as well. And I encourage you to do that because Instagram encourages you to do that as well. So instead of creating a reel, we're gonna do a static post example. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go with, say, this one right here. And we're just gonna edit this real quick. So we'll go ahead and say something like the 5 benefits of losing weight. And then, of course, you can put your Instagram handle right here, and then you can throw in 5 benefits inside of here. And if you don't have any benefits or have any idea at all what to actually put here, then guess what? We can use AI to help us out. You don't have to be the expert to do this. So let's jump over and I'm gonna show you how to do that. All right, so we're gonna come over here to ChatGPT. If you're not sure of how to get here, you can Google ChatGPT, or you can just type in openai.com in your URL bar, and it'll prompt you to log in and sign up or whatever, and you'll end up right here. So inside of ChatGPT, all we need to do is come in here and we're gonna ask it what we need it to do. So I'm gonna type in, give me 5 ideas for weight loss for an Instagram post. Very simple. And then we're just gonna click this green button and let ChatGPT go to work. All right, so ChatGPT has finished giving us our 5 benefits. And so for this example, all you really need to do is, what I would do is this bolded section is what I would go ahead and input into these parts right here. So I would take the mindful eating magic, or sweat, smile, repeat, or things like that, or just kind of go through this and let it give you ideas or benefits to go ahead and input into your static post. And you can always ask ChatGPT to tweak this around for you to your specific needs. And you can also use this right here to put into your description underneath your post as well, because it gives you hashtags as well. So this is a very good way to go ahead and use the power of AI for your static Instagram post for your brand. So I want to quickly talk about some bonus tips to help you gain even more traffic through your efforts. So Instagram isn't the only place that you can post these videos. You can always repurpose this content and you should do it. You should be posting the same video not only on Instagram, but to your Facebook Reels, to your TikTok, to your YouTube Shorts, and even on Pinterest and anywhere else that will allow short form content. You want to repurpose this stuff to different areas in order to gain more free traffic from different places online. And so that is one way of gaining more free traffic. Another way is using Fiverr. So if you go to fiverr.com, and for this example, if you type in fitness plus Instagram, it'll give you a bunch of results, and you'll see all these different sellers who will create different content for you, just, you know, for $20, some $40, some just $5. You can really just look at all the different results. Maybe you don't want to do any of this stuff on your own, but you have the money to pay somebody else to do it for you. I get it. As entrepreneurs, we're not always creatives, and so we just want to work on the business and let somebody else do the creative stuff for us. So Fiverr is a very good way about going around that. So with this one right here, for 20 bucks, they will create fitness YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels for you. They'll do 100 of them for you just for $20. And so that's 100 different pieces of content right there just for $20 right there. And you don't have to worry about jumping into Canva or going on YouTube and downloading content and editing content, none of that. Just pay somebody else to do that for you and you're done. And another place to do this as well is you can go to Upwork and you can just hire somebody for a few bucks an hour, maybe like $6, $7 an hour, just depending on where this person is located. You don't want to lowball people, but it's not expensive at all. And you can just hire somebody to do all of this for you. They'll create the content, they'll post the content as well for you. It really just depends on everything that it is that you need. But these are different ways for you to get free traffic to your affiliate offer, and you don't always have to be the person doing all the work yourself. So that's one of the many ways to get free traffic to your affiliate offers. But if you want to learn everything about digital marketing and starting a highly profitable online business utilizing Ghost Commerce, I recommend you check out the first link in the description box below, because that's the exact training that I took that has allowed me to earn a consistent 4 to 5 figures per month in my business. So if you found this video helpful and got some value out of it, please drop a comment below or ask any questions that you might have. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.